In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to an email campaign using Mailchimp. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or just need a refresher, this guide will help you configure email links step by step so you can effectively engage with your audience. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to your campaign in Mailchimp. Make sure you're logged into your Mailchimp account and then head over to the campaign section. Once you're there, find the specific email campaign where you want to add your link. This is an essential first step because the link is going to be embedded directly into the email content of the campaign you choose. If you have multiple campaigns, double check you're in the right one to avoid any confusion later on. Now that you've located your campaign, locate the text block where you want to include the link. Click on it to start editing. Within this block, highlight the text that you intend to hyperlink. This step is crucial because it tells Mailchimp exactly where you want the clickable link to appear in your email. If the text isn't highlighted, the link won't attach correctly. With your text highlighted, you'll see various formatting options appear. Look for the link icon in the toolbar, which usually looks like a small chain. Click on this icon. This action will open up the link settings window, where you can specify exactly what type of link this should be. In the link settings window, you'll see an option called Link To. Click on Link To reveal a drop-down menu where you can select what kind of link you want. For this tutorial, we'll choose the email option. Selecting email means that when someone clicks the link, it will open up their default email client with a new message ready to be composed. After choosing email, you'll need to type in the email address you want the message sent to. This is done in the text field provided next to the email option. Make sure you double check the email address for any typos to ensure recipients can reach you without any hitches. Optionally, you can add a message subject and body in the respective fields. This feature is handy if you want to guide your users on what the email should contain, or provide them with an easy way to start the conversation. If you decide to utilize this option, it will pre-populate in the recipient's email client when they click the link. Once you're satisfied with your settings, all you need to do is click Save. By saving these settings, your link is now live in the campaign. Make sure to test the link in a test email to see how it works from the recipient's perspective. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance your email campaigns with interactive links, ensuring you stay connected with